Hey everyone, Ethan here. Today I'm doing a hack the box machine called Cap. It's an easy Linux box with web admin that can create and serve packets captures. I'll show you how I found the endpoints, how I download the PCAP that contains plain text credentials, and I'll show you how I SSH into it. Uh, Everything here is run on the HTTP lab. Don't try this on other people's systems. So yeah, let's jump into this. Awesome. The first thing we got to do is connect to the OpenVPN. Very straightforward. Just doing a sudo open VPN and then whatever the VPN name you download off Hack the Box. Is that what you will use? And mine is lab_Brendan Huff. Next step is adding the IP address to the local host. So you can just do that basically using a sudo nano slash etc slash host. I'm not going to do it because I've already done it. So I'm just going to do a cat command and show you. After that, it's always good just to ping the machine to see if you have actual communication. Next, with the VPN up, I ran an nmap to encapsulation open ports and service versions. This gives a quick map of what service are running.
This might take a minute BRB. Smiley face.
Okay, so nmap found three services on the target. We have port 21 FTTP, that's a file transfer server, and port 2022 is an SSH. And then we also found port 80, that is a web server. That's a Python WSGI server that powers a web application that we can actually browse. Next, I browse a web application. Those are http:/10.10.10.245. I looked around the UI and the dashboard and any functionalities that stand out. While exploring, I noticed that URL path /data/3 on the side. I try and change in the ID to see what else is available. Often these endpoints are predictable, so I tried /data/o/data1, whatever /data/2, etc. And then I also found on /data/o there was a file that contained captures. I proceeds downloading the file, and then immediately I got Wireshark open, and then I clicked the PCAP file, and then ran it in Wireshark. So awesome. As I was opening Wireshark, I scrolled down to I saw the protocol FTP. I confirmed that this packet was under Nathan's username. Um, Next, after seeing that, I scrolled down a little bit, and then it had its password captured, what was awesome. So best thing to do once we have the password, we can now probably SSH into the back door with these credentials. Um, what I like to do is save all that and then save it into a .text file, because if you copy it straight from Wireshark, there might be some garbage language next to it. So when you paste that into SSH, it might say wrong password. So the best thing to do is do a sudo nano pass.text and then get rid of everything else but Nathan's password. After saving Nathan's password, save it and then use the cat command to verify it. This will make it easier to copy and paste it for SSH. Next step would be logging into SSH using Nathan's password, then pasting it in from pass.text file. Once you get logged in, it's always good to do the command who am I to make sure you're under Nathan's count. After that, we're using the ls command to list the directories. And there is the user's flag. I'll just use cat command to grab the user's flag. LAMP runs lots of quick checks in Linux box to find common privilege encapsulation hints, things such as SUIDs or pseudo misconfigurations, writable scripts, and leaked credentials. Line P's automates hundreds of small tests so you don't have to scan it manually, what makes it life easier. It looks for unsafe file permissions, badly configured pseudo rules, scripts, or programs anyone can write to find, and files that might accidentally also contain password or keys to the operating system or to the server. I hosted the line P script from my attacking machine using a simple Python HTTP server, and then fetch and execute it onto the target with a curl command to kick off the automation check. As line P ran, I scanned the output and opened an interactive Python session on the box. The banner showed me it was running a Python 3.8.5 version, which immediately knows what runtime and library might be present. The rep.al basically gave me root access onto the lab machine. The Lime Ps had already handed me a list of promising leads, so the Python fingerprint pointed to me to the most relevant areas to investigate further. Awesome. Now, because we have root access, this will be able to grab the root flag. Simple. It's always good just to do a hue mi to make sure we're in the root access. Um, then also to see what directories and files they are, just do an ls slash. This will show there is a root directory, so then just cd into that, and then you should be able to see the root flag and just cat that. Thank you for watching.